I ain't had nothing all day but a couple of tater tots. But it was a long day and I didn't want to come home and cook. So we are trying these white cheddar rice cakes with some cream cheese on them. I'm going to try it just like this first. And then I'm going to try my new seasoning out, the cricket dust that I got from Prattville Pickers. And I also brought my buttery garlic and herb in here because I feel like something buttery would be good on this. That is so good. It reminds me of that white cheddar popcorn.
Oh, yum.
I'm getting cream cheese on my blanket. This blanket is so comfortable. What did I say it was? It's not the Lola, but it's like the Lola.
Oh, yeah.
Comfort. It's the ones that make those heavy clothes.
Mm-hmm.
But they make the blankets now too. And the blanket's heavy. Okay. Cricket dust. I'm just putting a little bit on the edge. Can y'all see it? Mmm.
Let me smell it.
It's kind of like it's almost like Lowry seasoning salt. It's kind of like a seasoning salt. It says seasoning on meats, fish, veggies, potatoes, salad, and other favorites. Like white cheddar rice cakes. Now I'm going to try the buttery garlic and herb on it. I already know I'm going to like it. Mm-hmm.
I've never tried everything bagel seasoning, but people say they like them on rice cakes like that.
I don't think we have any. This is good, y'all. Where has rice cakes been my whole life? I'm sure everybody else already likes them, but I don't think I've ever tried one before now. Me and Hannah was just sitting here talking about what we're going to have for supper tomorrow. And we might do this, but if I end up cooking something else, we're going to still do this soon. So we need your help. We want to do like a little breakfast for supper one night, except for we don't want biscuits and gravy. We want like a little healthy breakfast for supper. So Greek yogurt, some fruits, and bagels and cream cheese and avocado, or maybe a protein like bacon or whatever, but like fried eggs or boiled eggs. Give us some healthy breakfast meal ideas or suggestions. White cheddar rice cakes. Try them. I love you. Stay classy.